We'll talk about the tropics in a second. Walter's going to play junior meteorologist for a second real quick. Walter, when did it rain at the airport yesterday?
Between 4 and 5.
Give that man a biscuit this morning. Yeah, you're right. And then, of course, it just rained, and now we're sitting in the 70s. But that's when it happened. And it's key to note that because it's probably going to happen at the same time again today, say between 4 and about 6 p.m., depending upon where you are. We're going to favor the same spots as yesterday. Maybe not as many storms, but there'll be a few strong ones like yesterday as well. 70s. Everybody's in the 70s except for St. Pete at about 80, 81. Sarasota, rain-cooled 75. Boy, they got some rain. They had it earlier in Sarasota than we did up in the Tampa area. Excuse me. And then mid-70s inland this morning. East winds, patterns exactly the same today. Rain chance about 50%. Tomorrow, notice this little greenish color, a little bit of yellow in there. And on Saturday as well. This is just a little hint of drier air, not at the surface, but in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. So that'll just lower the number of storms. So we'll take the rain chance Friday and Saturday, knock it down to 40%, but watch what happens. By the end of the week and into early next week, the deep tropical moisture comes right back at us again, and the rain chances are going back up to about 60%. And the way the pattern is setting up, it's really just going to favor the West Coast day in and day out all the way through the middle of next week. Notice as these storms start to form, 4 o'clock, there's your 4 o'clock time frame right along 75, and then we're going to push those storms west and then eventually offshore. So just be prepared. A very similar day to yesterday. You look at the tropics, 20% chance for development in this yellow shaded area. But if that happens, it's not going to happen for the next several days, just to be honest with you. So I think we're good right through the holiday weekend. We'll put the Fox model into motion. And again, here's Friday, this is Saturday, there's Sunday, here's Labor Day. Going into Labor Day, we still don't have anything significant. 2 areas that we're going to watch, one right around the islands, one just off the coast of Africa. So we still got some time to keep an eye on these tropics, but at least for the next few days, they stay the way we like it. Quiet. Mid to late afternoon storms today, otherwise hot and steamy with your high of 93 degrees. Storms will end mid-evening or so. A lot of them just kind of move offshore, and then a low of 78 degrees. Everything stabilizes, and then big-time heat with a few storms tomorrow. I brought the temperature up to about 94 tomorrow and again on Saturday, and the reason is because we're going to lower the rain chance a little bit, a little more heat, right? East winds at 10 knots, seas 2 feet with a moderate chop if you are boating today. Our summertime continues. We go from August into September, same weather pattern, afternoon and evening storms each and every day.